Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabel, and if you're new here watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new content. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for passing through. So today in this video, I will be introducing this very product. Yes, so this product is going to give you value for money. I will show you it's not really common, okay, and I'll show you how you can use it to achieve a very perfect result. So if this sounds like something you would love to watch, then stick and stay. I will be back with more.
Beauty Bellcito.
Today, I will be giving an honest review on the RDL babyface facial cleanser, kojic and glutathione. You know, the regular ones we see are papaya, avocado, but this very one is very different. The smell, the efficacy is just on point. RDL Pharmaceuticals is one of the best personal care brands in Philippines, and the first time I started using their products, baby face cleanser, the avocado one, was when I had completed senior high school. Then I was having a lot of acne, pimples and all that, so it really helped me, and that was how I started falling in love with their products. And these are not the only products they are into. They have facial toners, facial cleansers, soaps and other personal care items. So let me take you through what is written on the packaging. Facial cleanser with kojic and gluta effectively removes deep-seated dirt and excess oil to prevent the recurrence of pimples, whiteheads and blackheads. Kojic and gluta was combined to whiten, smoothen and brighten your skin to achieve a youthful glow. The ingredient: water, ethyl alcohol, kojic acid, boric acid, fragrance, glutathione, menthol, and a whole lot of stuff. But you know, this facial cleanser is very strong, okay? It's very powerful, so you cannot use it raw. It burns like alcohol or spirit. It contains kojic acid and glutathione, like I said earlier. And kojic acid, we all know, is a byproduct of soy product or rice product, and it's used in the cosmetic industry or in the cosmetic world to remove acne, to fade dark spots, dark marks and freckles. And glutathione is also good when it comes to lightening up or whitening the skin. So combining these two ingredients, these two key ingredients, should tell you that this baby right here, it's powerful. So if you want to use this product without having any issues or any burns or red face, you have to dilute it with 150 or 180 ml of rose water. You can't use it raw. I'm saying this again. Do not use this product raw on your face. Don't use only this on your face, please. It is 160 ml, so you dilute it with 160 ml of rose water or 200 ml of rose water. If you have sensitive face, dilute it with 200 ml of rose water because it is 160. So you pour it into 200 ml of rose water if you have sensitive face. But if you have facial redness, don't use this. If you are having pimples, whiteheads, blackheads, acne, you can use this one. It is very good for you. Wash your face very well with soap, a good facial soap. Dab a little onto cotton wool and apply on your face. Use it to cleanse your face thoroughly and your neck thoroughly twice a day. But if you walk on the sun a lot, you can, because of the kojic acid and sun, you see, you burn. So please, if you're someone who walks on the sun a lot, you can just use it at night only. Use it to clean your face at night only, and trust me, gradually. It's not a fast action product. It works gradually. It smells so sweet. It has this citrus smell, like orange, like Fanta orange, Fanta lemon, something like that. It smells so sweet. So if you are acne prone, if you have dry skin, sensitive skin, or combination skin, you can use this. But make sure you don't go about walking on the sun. If for anything you walk on the sun, apply it and apply sunscreen. Sunblock or sunscreen should be the last thing when layering the skincare product. So the sunscreen should always, or your sunblock should always be the last thing. You use this and then you use your sunblock before you step out on the sun. This kojic acid and glutathione is not common, so if you're interested, you can contact me. If you're outside Ghana, we can ship it to you, but trust me, it's a very good product. It's value for money and you can never go wrong with it. It lightens up and smoothens the face. It gives you that baby face feel, like that. That is why it is called baby face. It does exactly as the name says. One thing to look out for when buying an RDL facial cleanser, you know, we have made in Nigeria RDL facial cleansers. Trust me, if you are not very careful, you end up buying the Nigerian made ones, and we have Nigerian made ones all over the market right now, and it's very difficult to spot the original one out. But I'll give you a few things to look out for when buying an original RDL facial cleanser. So with the Nigerian made ones, you won't see manufactured in the Philippines by RDL Pharmaceutical Laboratory. You'll not see it. I'll make another video to tell you how to identify the fake RDL facial cleanser from the original RDL facial cleanser. There are a few things to look out for. So thank you very much for watching. If you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.